That's a good. 120, 120. Get clear. Flaps, clear. Clear 200. Handle check, going cold in front. Hold on.
Bonanza 3816 here, cleared direct matches.
Departure, Shad 125, passing 1,200 for 7,000.
Chad 125, ready in departure, radar contact.
What the heck just happened? Get aboard.
Citation 5, Sierra, Sierra.
Approach, emergency, return back to land. Chad 125.
Chad 125, say again.
Chad 125, declaring emergency, return back to land.
Chad 125, roger, when able, contact tire, channel 12.
Chad 125, picture 12. Pull your emergency O2. What? Pull your emergency O2.
Citation 5, Sierra,
Got it.
roger. Cleared visual approach.
Just side. Tom, return back to land.
Contact key tire, 11.8.
Tower 125 coming back to land. We're going to land on 19 left. Tower, we're going to land down 19 left.
125, now we're one left to prove.
No, we're going to land on 19 left. We're going to land on 19 left, 19 left, 19 left.
125, wind 050 at 6, clear land, we're in 19 left.
Clear land, 19 left. Gear, when you get it? No, no. Roger. Reminding you. Okay, put it down. We're going to put it on lock. Put it on lock, put it on lock. Okay, drop the hook. Put down. Okay, shut down, shut down. Shut down. Do your emergency shutdown. Roger.